Have you ever looked at your living room and wondered how to make it feel more beautiful, more modern, and more comfortable? In this video, we'll explore 50 inspiring ways to completely transform your living room. From simple styling ideas to stunning design upgrades that can turn any space into something truly special. The living room is often the heart of the home. It's where we relax after a long day, gather with family, welcome guests, and spend some of our most meaningful moments. But sometimes, the space we use every day slowly starts to feel ordinary. The good news is that transforming your living room doesn't always require a full renovation. Often, small design decisions can make a surprisingly big difference. One of the easiest ways to refresh a living room is by simplifying the layout. Clean lines, open space, and natural light can instantly create a calm and elegant atmosphere. Accent walls are another powerful design tool. Whether it's textured plaster, wood panels, or stone, a single feature wall can completely redefine the character of the room. Lighting also plays a huge role. Layering different types of lighting, ambient, accent, and decorative, can dramatically change how a space feels throughout the day. Art is another way to add personality. Plants add color, texture, and life. Plants add color, texture, and life, making the room feel fresh and welcoming. Furniture choices also shape the way a living room works. Large modular sofas create flexible seating areas that adapt easily to everyday life. Even smaller elements matter more than we often realize. A beautifully styled coffee table, carefully selected decor pieces, or a textured rug can elevate the entire design. Storage solutions can also become part of the aesthetic. Built-in shelving keeps the space organized while displaying books, art, and personal objects. Textiles add comfort and warmth. Soft rugs, layered cushions, and elegant curtains help create a cozy and inviting environment. Color palettes are another key element. Neutral tones tend to create a calm and timeless look, while subtle accent colors can introduce personality without overwhelming the space. Architectural features can also transform a living room dramatically. Fireplaces, ceiling designs, decorative panels, and feature lighting all add visual interest and depth. Sometimes, simply rearranging furniture can improve the entire flow of a room. Creating conversation areas or opening up pathways can make the space feel larger and more functional. Mirrors are another clever design trick. They reflect natural light and visually expand the room. Large artwork can instantly become the focal point of the entire space. In some designs, a single natural element, like an indoor tree, can bring a sense of balance and calm. Modern interiors often focus on blending architecture with lifestyle. Glass partitions, open layouts, and panoramic windows help create bright, connected spaces. As design continues to evolve, many living rooms now integrate smart lighting systems that allow the atmosphere to change instantly, from bright daytime energy to warm evening relaxation. At the same time, minimalist design reminds us that simplicity can be incredibly powerful. When clutter disappears, the beauty of materials, light, and space becomes much more visible. Some living rooms focus on elegance and luxury. Others emphasize warmth and comfort. But the most successful living rooms always share one thing in common. They reflect the personality and lifestyle of the people who live there. Because in the end, the goal of a living room is not just to look beautiful. It's to create a place where people feel comfortable, inspired, and at home. And sometimes, all it takes is a few thoughtful changes to transform an ordinary room into a space you truly love.